Good morning, students. Now the topic is alkenes preparations. Okay, preparations of alkenes. In that, first one is from alkynes. From alkynes. So in this, alkynes are C triple bond C R. Okay. From the alkynes, alkenes are prepared by the reduction process. The reduction is take place not completely, partial reduction. If the reduction take place completely, alkyne is converted to the alkane. Okay, you already know about the preparations of alkanes. Okay, reduction take place on alkynes partially in the presence of pellucidized charcoal. Okay, partially deactivated pellucidized charcoal. So that is a palladium carbon. Charcoal is a carbon. Okay, charcoal. So we called as this is a Lindlar's catalyst. Okay, Lindlar's catalyst. It is important competitive point of view. Okay, what is Lindlar's catalyst? Palladium charcoal. Okay, partially activated palladium charcoal is Lindlar's catalyst or palladium carbon. Okay, in this the reduction take place. Reduction means addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen. In this there is no oxygen, so we are adding hydrogen to this alkyne. Addition of hydrogens are added to the alkynes. So partial reduction is take place. Okay, each carbon we are added one hydrogen. So one hydrogen added to this one hydrogen added to this one by the breaking of one pi bond. Okay, so this is a addition reaction. Okay, reduction. So after adding of hydrogens we get the alkene. Which type of alkene? Cis alkene. So we take the this alkyl group R dash. Okay, we get R C double bond C R dash cis alkene. What is meant by cis alkene? Same side of spatial arrangement of the atoms or groups. Same side, that is a cis alkene. Okay, so same type of reduction RC triple bond C R dash in the presence of sodium liquid ammonia. It is one of the reducing agent. Okay, reduction agent, one of the reagent. Sodium liquid ammonia, we get RC double bond C R dash, that is a trans alkene. What is meant by trans? Spatial arrangement of the atoms or groups or molecules are opposite side, that is a trans alkene. Okay, so this is a from the alkynes preparation of the alkene. So by using Lindlar's catalyst we get cis alkene. By using sodium liquid ammonia we get trans alkene. And CH3 C triple bond C CH3. Okay, the reduction takes place by using Lindlar's catalyst. What is the product? Cis alkene. Okay, C double bond C CH3 and CH3 cis. Okay, hydrogen cis alkene. So okay, same side these groups are present. So okay, CH3 groups are present same side of the alkene. Spatial arrangement of these groups are same side, that is belongs to the cis. Okay, so using of Lindlar catalyst we get cis alkene. So from this 1 2 3 4 butane 2 we get butene. Okay, butane, which butane? 2 butane, 1 2 3 4 2 butane or but one ion or 2 ion, we get 2 butene. 1 2 3 4 2 butene. So this is a reduction of alkynes. Okay, second method is from alkyl halides. So in that dehydrohalogenation or beta elimination. Okay, dehydrohalogenation or beta elimination. Here, so this compound CH3 CH2 X. Okay, so this is a one of the compound. So it is belongs to the alkyl halide. Alkyl halide converted to the alkenes in the presence of alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH means the potassium hydroxide dissolved in alcohol, like ethanol. We get alcoholic KOH. So alcoholic KOH used to remove the hydrogen. Okay, use it to remove the hydrogen from the which of the position? Beta position. So this is the alpha and this is a beta. So halogen attached to carbon is alpha and this is a beta. So beta hydrogen is removed. First of all, beta hydrogen is removed. Okay, in the formation of H plus and H plus. After removal of H plus and it is converted to form a double bond. The halogen is going to remove in the formation of H minus. We get alkene. Finally, we get alkene is a product. Okay, and this removal of halogen, leaving of halogen group depends upon the chlorine, bromine, iodine. So iodine is more leaving than bromine. Bromine is more leaving than chlorine. Okay, and removal of H plus. So this is a which type of alkene, which type of carbon? This is a primary, and this is a one CH3X is all in this there, and hydrogen. This carbon is which type of carbon? Primary carbon. If you take the same CH3 X H and H. So if you want to remove the hydrogen from this one, it is a which type of the carbon? Secondary carbon, because of this carbon bonded with the two methyl groups, that is belongs to the secondary. And this one is a tertiary. This carbon is tertiary. So this carbon bonded with three methyl groups. It is belongs to the tertiary carbon. And this reaction, the rate of the reaction take place dehydrohalogenation, removal of H plus from the tertiary is more than secondary. Secondary is more than primary because of unstable carbanion. Unstable carbanion is formed in this. Okay, so we observe the mechanism of this reaction. So first step, for example, you take the bromine by using of alcoholic KOH. So alcoholic KOH, it is going to absorb the H plus from the beta position. So this is the alpha, this is a beta. From the beta position, so H plus is absorbed. Hydrogen is removed in the formation of H plus. H plus means there is no electron. Okay, so the electron is liberated in this position. So totally we get this in the carbon position is negative. CH H minus charges appeared. Minus and Br. Okay, so after that it is a carbanion. Carbanion is unstable. Negative charge of the carbanion is unstable. Okay, so by the shifting of bond, formation of bond like this, so this bromine is going to remove as in the formation of Br minus. Okay, Br minus. After removal of Br minus, we get CH, 2 hydrogen, CH2 double bond. Already single bond is there, and another one formed. This minor charge is formed as a 5 bond. We get double bond CH2. What is the product? Alkene. Alkene is a product by the dehydrohalogenation or beta eliminations. Okay, dehydrohalogenation or beta elimination process, we get alkenes are the product from the alkyl halides by using of alcoholic KOH. Okay, so and same type. Okay, so from this we observe, so this is a secondary carbon, this is a tertiary carbon. From this we observe after removal of H plus, after removal of H plus by using of alcoholic KOH, alcoholic KOH, alcoholic KOH, so we get CH3 H minus CH2 Br. This is also same, CH3 minus CH2 Br. So from this observe, from this we are observe here negative charges appear present at the secondary carbon, and negative charges present at the tertiary carbon. Okay, so carbanium ion stability is primary greater than secondary greater than tertiary. Stability, this is a stability, and what is the reactivity order? Opposite. Reactivity order is tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary. So by the following of this reactivity order, so the rate of reaction is tertiary is greater than secondary, secondary is greater than primary for this dehydrohalogenation reactions. Okay, this is also called as, this is a beta elimination. Okay, from the alkyl halides we get alkenes are the product by the following beta elimination process in the presence of alcoholic KOH. Okay, so from the alcohols by acidic dehydration, not dehydrogenation. Dehydration and dehydrogenation, both one is different. Dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogen. Okay, removal of hydrogens, and dehydration means removal of H2O, removal of H2O, hydration, water molecules, removal of H2O. Okay, so it is also like a beta elimination. So beta elimination is take place by using of concentrated H2SO4 as a reagent. Okay, so in that alcohol CH3 CH2OH, CH3 CH2OH, ethyl alcohol is converted to the alkene in the presence of concentrated ethyl alcohol is converted to the ethylene in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4 followed by the heating we get alkenes. Ethylene is a product. Okay, so in this it is also same like a beta elimination process. In this the H plus concentrated H2SO4 acidic nature, more acidic nature is H plus released by the H2SO4, the H plus is added to the this position, OH position. So because of lone pair of electrons are present in this oxygen, H plus is added to this OH position. Okay, so in this CH and CH H and O H and H. H plus is added to the H plus. Okay, so H plus released by the H2SO4, H plus added to this position, we get like this. Okay, OH2 plus, and it is a unstable one. So this unstable one is removed by the shifting of hydrogen like this, and this is going to remove. So we get CH2 double bond by shifting of the bond, and this OH2 is OH2, that is a CH2. OH2 means H2O, dehydration. H2O is removed from the alcohols by using of concentrated H2SO4. We called as, this is the dehydration reaction. So from the alcohols by acidic dehydration, in that acidic condition only, so the hydration, water molecules are removed in the presence of acidic conditions only. Acidic condition means concentrated H2SO4. Okay, followed by the heating, we get alkenes are the product. From the ethyl alcohol we get ethylene, ethyl alcohol. This is a ethyl alcohol. We get ethylene. Ethylene is a product. Okay. So this is a another one method for the preparation of alkenes. Okay. And another one method for the preparation of alkenes. So from the vicinal dihalides, vicinal means, so for example, you take the dihalides, two halogen groups are present at the adjacent of the carbons. For example, like this, adjacent of carbon. Okay, adjacent of carbons, two halogens are bonded, that is belongs to the vicinal, and two halogens are present at the same carbon. Okay, so same carbon. So this same carbon contain two halogens. So it is belongs to the geminal. We call as this is a geminal. And if the two halogens present at the adjacent of the carbons, that is a vicinal. Okay, so you know about the vicinal and geminal. Don't confuse about this vicinal. Vicinal means two halogens are present at the adjacent of the two carbons, and two halogens are present at the same carbon. Okay, only in one carbon, that is a geminal, and this is a vicinal. Okay, and what is the reaction of this one? What is the reaction from the vicinal dihalides? Here vicinals, two halogens are present at the two adjacent of the carbons. Okay, so treated with a zinc. Okay, treated with a zinc metal. Treatment with a zinc metal. Okay, lose a molecule zinc dihalide. Okay, so for example, you take the 1,2 dibromoethane treated with 1,2. So you take the nomenclature of this one, 1, 2, 2 carbons eth, and 2 halogens, 1,2 dibromoethane treated with zinc. Okay, zinc metal. We get alkenes are the products by the removal of zinc dibromide. Okay, so this reaction carry out like this by the shifting of this one. This is going to remove, and two bromines are bonded with zinc. Then Br2 is appeared. Okay, and from the 1,2 dibromoethane we get ethylene. What is the name of this one? Ethylene is a product. And from this one, CH3, CHBr and CH2Br. So you give the numbering of this one, 1, 2, 3. So 1,2 dibromopropane, 3 carbons, propane, 1,2 dibromopropane treated with a zinc metal. We get propene. Okay, 1 propane is a 1, 2, 3, 3 carbons, 1 propene is a product. Okay, so if you take the same 1,2 dibromobutane, okay, butane 1,2 dibromobutane, we get butane is the 1 butane is the product. Okay,